Hello and welcome to The Journey Into You with me, Tarusha Saxena. A lot of people who come to me for tarot reading are looking for guidance through tarot cards for various situations in their lives, whether it is their life in general, whether it is career, and a lot of times it is relationships. A lot of us usually carry the baggage of our past situations, past relationships. We carry a lot of burden on our shoulders and we don't know how to deal with it. And a lot of times the demons of our past memories, emotions, they haunt our present and affect our present life and relationships, which can be easily avoided. So a lot of times I do find myself recommending this favorite book that I have by Eckhart Tolle, The Power of Now. I swear by this book. This is a book which has personally helped me change my life for good forever. This is one book which has helped me practice how to observe our minds, because our mind, as the author Eckhart Tolle rightly mentions, our mind is a monkey mind. It keeps jumping. Mind is a part of our body. It is not our entire body, but most of the times, most of our life is controlled by our mind and we don't even know. We think that I want this. When you say I want this, most of the times that I that we say is our mind, which is saying what it wants. It is not really what we want. That is the reason why we think from our mind, but we feel from our heart. And what we feel from our heart is exactly what we want. Our mind usually tricks us into things. So we give the anchor of our life in the hands of our mind and we let it play with us. But when you read this book, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, I swear to you by God, it's the most amazing book which is going to change your life. It's going to tell you how you can start observing your mind and gradually you can control, you can have control over your mind in terms of what you want to think and what you don't want to think. It is going to empower you with that amazing control over the baggage from your past. It will help you tackle and compartmentalize instances which has happened with you in the past as compared to the present. So a lot of time when we bring in our past baggage into today, most of the people are struggling with the fact, that they don't know how to deal with it. They don't know what to do. They just cannot simply get out of the memories of the past. This book will help you understand that memories of the past is just a memory, what has happened. It is today which you can change, but you keep dwelling in your past and you screw up your present. So this is what this book has taught me. And the most important thing is that this book has taught me the power of now, which is how you can really be in now. So I really recommend this book to each and every one of you, if you are a reader, if you are not a reader, but if you're struggling in life with handling your past emotions and situations, if you're not able to pull yourself out of the memories and feelings and emotions of the past situation or relationship, please do give it a try. This book is going to change your life. So yeah, and if you like my tarot readings, if you would like a tarot reading by me, then please DM me or write to me an email at 1313 thejourneyintoyou@gmail.com, and I will reply back to you with the slot timing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Journey Into You. I have an Instagram account which goes by the same name, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and my Facebook page as well, which goes by the same name. And I'll see you guys very, very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.